What?
What was that? Yo.
Alright, I'm gonna play again.
What's up, Mom?
Oh,
That was
yo,
Lily's movie.
yo.
Forest. Oh, Slender Round 2, but part 2. If that makes any sense, yeah. Stop moving!
I thought you said you were going in the asylum.
That's what I thought. Hold on a minute. Oh, I found it. Screw you, Slender. Already found the building. Mom called you.
I'm coming.
Watch my coffee. Watch my coffee. That sucks.
He got scared with the mask.
Look at you. Every time I come.
Got you with the mask, huh?
Yeah.
Sucker.
Ha ha ha. Joke's on me.
You gotta get it close up. Do the
No.
Run!
Slender's angry? Wait, how many pages have you got yet?
2.
Oh. Yeah, you might want to. And don't go in a circle.
You have your concentrated face right now. There's a picture. It's like, hi, there's a picture. There's another one.
Are you supposed to get those?
I'm waiting for you to step in poo.
I'm waiting for him to go in a circle again.
I just went in a circle right now. See?
Mm.
Go outside!
Was that him right there?
No.
Oh,
It's a tree. It's because it pops up.
Oh, you're like yelling in my ear.
I'm a loud person. Sometimes.
Oh, baby got dance. Great.
Can't touch this. Can't touch it.
Turn around, Nick.
No, hell no!
The music's getting louder.
It's a tree.
Don't turn around! Ah!
Nick knows better to not turn around.
He did turn around.
Did you?
Oh yeah! Oh yes! I'm getting some real emotion in
Your
here.
hand's blocking me. Can't see. I want to see Slender. Run! 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 Run!
I hate it when he does that.
That has been
Okay,
part 2.
Goodbye.